Hello and welcome to the Climate Max Home video channel, and today we're going to talk about fire mitigation. And of course there's two types, and one of them is for the land mitigation and the other one is about homes. And today we're going to be talking about our portion, which is building your home for fire mitigation and the benefits of that. It's just different materials to use, but it works. Here we are looking down the main street of Gatlinburg, Tennessee, and to repeat myself, everybody thought it would never happen in Gatlinburg. There's fire departments, there's modern buildings, there's all these things, but it's the fuel and the fire around the building. So today we're going to talk to you about Climate Max homes built for fire mitigation. All right, we're going to jump right into this here, and here you see the real strength of the Climate Max home. This is the shell, the protective shell of the house and supportive structure, and it is made up of two components. One is the ThermoSteel insulated steel panels that go on the walls and on the roof, and the roof is all supported by fast frame steel trusses. And so this gives not only superior strength, it's also Class A fire resistant, and done properly, depending on windows and things like that you put into the house, you're going to get with this with the ThermoSteel panels somewhere between a 40 and a 60 R rating on this house. So it's very sustainable, and it's a very strong house that's going to last you a lifetime. So now we're taking a look at the interior. We kind of zoomed in here a little bit. You can see a little bit more detail here, and the steel trusses, the ThermoSteel panels, and I want to also include that ThermoSteel does make interior walls for a structure like this that can be ordered, and they're already insulated. And the trick of this, between the ready-made beams and trusses from Fast Frame and the ready-made and fitted panels from ThermoSteel, this house goes up very quickly. And to top it off, there's no waste in this. Typical lumber house, stick frame home, is going to have about 20% waste. Since this is already made at the factory, there's no waste to this, and the building goes up in just a matter of a couple of days. Okay, we're going to take a look at the makeup of the ThermoSteel wall panel here. As you can see, it has 4 steel studs on both sides, and those do not go all the way through the insulation, so you don't create thermal bridging here. They're around 80 pounds per panel. They fit into a channel. They're very easy to put up, and you don't even have to use a vapor barrier on this if you don't like. So anyway, very valuable. We're going to take a look at the roof panels now. Here's the roof panels, and they average between 5.5 and 7.5 inches thick, depending on your climate region. And all of this is engineered by both ThermoSteel and Fast Frame to make sure we're putting the right product in the right climate zone, and also to meet the requirements of your building plans. Here's a CAD drawing being worked up by the engineers at Fast Frame, and they're getting ready to turn those into the finished product that we're going to take a look at right now. And as I mentioned earlier, this is all pre-made at the factory and fitted. So what you're looking at here are trusses that are being assembled to go out to a job, and they're all pre-bundled and they're ready to go, and there is no waste on these. Once they get out there, they just go ahead and set them in place, and the building goes up. Once your order is completed, it's all loaded on a semi, similar to what you see here. Then it goes directly to the building site, where it can be unloaded by hand or with forklift. So it doesn't take very long to get this done. This video was made to just make you aware of the situation. And this can happen in urban and also rural areas. Witnessed a fire in Asheville some years ago that took out about 6 homes. And so just be prepared, think for the future, and we're here to help. So give us a call. We're open Monday through Saturday. Saturdays we're open from 9 till 1, The rest of the week we're open from 9 until 6. Give us a call. We'd love to talk to you about this. There's no charge, and if you have a set of plans you're looking at, we'll be glad to start the process of getting a bid on that. So thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.